Welcome to Crafted by Kate. We got rain and thunderstorms with hail and more rain. We have some cleaning to do on the porch, and we have a tree branch that fell, the big one. We got to get that cleaned up. Even though it's hard to get things done outside with all the rain and storms, it is quite soothing to listen to. This video isn't real exciting, but I gotta get these chores done, so please join me to getting this done. After getting the porch swept, the siding and the windowsills need to be washed, so I'm going to use the power wash to just do a quick scrub. And the doormat needs to be washed. But first, we got grass and weeds growing between the pavers again, so gotta get that cleaned up. Alright, finally getting a non-rainy day to clean this up again. Alright, let's tackle this. Sometimes just pulling it is a little bit easier. Well, got a decent amount of it done. Now a little bit more to do.
Our way here from a common interstate, looking for a place to build a life and make a name. Drawing lines in ink as we're winding through the maze, second guessing every path we will ever choose to take. Feel the rhythm and the weight of this town. We get this common misdirection, chase the highs, fall on the ground. A lesser state might have told me I was done. Sometimes we lose the rhythm, but that doesn't mean it's gone. Keep trying it out, keep looking around, even though it will make you want to scream and shout. Who am I now, and will I ever feel my heart again? Scream and shout.
That's called leaf blower.
Find it out here, jumping into the cold deep water. It's good to see you out here too. Went to find a message in a bottle on the sand, but I wound up sitting down and watching all the ships come in. In that simple moment, when the color all came back, I swore I heard a voice that told me I should try again. Keep reaching for more, don't stay on the shore, even though it will make you want to scream and shout. Who am I now, and will I ever feel my heart again? Scream and shout. Who am I now, and will I ever feel my heart again? Gonna find it out here, jumping into the cold, deep water. Don't always have to think about it. Can't right all of the wrongs. Sometimes you gotta walk out of the forest and get in the sun. Scream and shout. Who am I now, and will I ever feel my heart again? Scream and shout. Who am I now, and will I ever feel my heart again? Will I feel it again? Scream and shout. Who am I now, and will I ever feel my heart again? Scream and shout. Who am I now, and will I ever feel my heart again? Who am I now, and will I ever feel my heart again? Scream and shout. Who am I now, and will I ever feel my heart again? I'm gonna find it out here, jumping into the cold, deep water.
Well, it was a dead tree anyway, but the storm knocked that down. Gotta clean that up. Got what I need here. Gloves. Floppers. For the smaller stuff. Bigger stuff. Ooh, the smaller chainsaw and then the bigger chainsaw for down there because it's a little bit thicker. And we got an audience. Hi boys. Hi Chili. Hi Beans. Okay, let's get going. My husband and I working as a team to get these chores done. Don't worry, he's okay. I have a part 2 video coming out of repairing the solar light holders. And yes, our chainsaw chains were not very sharp, quite dull. But it still got the job done. We got some decent firewood now. Thank you for watching us get these chores done. Maybe that motivated you to tackle some of your projects or chores. If you will, please like and subscribe, and you have a wonderful day. And we got more rain, so here it is for the outro.